Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Moline, and today I'll be doing a movie review / unboxing of the first Purge. You see, I've seen every single Purge movie. This is the prequel to all the Purges and how it started. Now, this should be interesting. Let's take a look. The first Purge. Blu-ray, DVD, digital. It says Blumhouse Productions welcomes you to the movement that began as a simple experiment, the first Purge, to push the crime rate below 1% for the rest of the year. The new founding fathers of America test a sociological theory that vents aggression for one night in one isolated community. But when the violence of opposers meets the range of the marginalized, the continuing contagion will explode from the Trial City borders and spread across the nation. Sorry about that, my reading's a little off today, but it's okay. Who does this star? First Purge. Lane Noel, Lex Scott Davis, Jonah Wade, Steve Harris. And there's bonus material, deleted scenes, a radical experiment, bringing in the chaos, the mask of the first Purge. And also includes the digital version, too. It's rated PG violence language. Yeah. So let's do the unboxing, shall we? And I got this in Sunrise Records, and it comes in a special edition steelbook case. So, what do we get for the unboxing? Well, put you down here, camera. Hi. My Swiss trusty army knife. And since it's Halloween, I need a Halloween themed video. So, camera, let's stay here. Okay, put you here, put you there, balance you perfectly. Like that. No, like that. I need a tripod. Let's just put you up here. Up. No. Up here. So we gonna unbox this baby and dig into the gore, the juicy stuff. Cut. Be careful you don't stab yourself. And we do the unboxing. Okay, put this away. Put that back in its hole. Put it back in its holster where it belongs. And let's check out what we got. Let's see. And we take this off. Cool. We take this off. Well, this comes off. Cool. And this is what we got. The digital box. Pretty cool, huh? And we are going to, how is this? We're going to open this. There we go. and shit. Well, that didn't pack that very well. There it is, first Purge. It comes with a digital movie thing. Can't show you the code. Digital movie of the first Purge. There. Can't show you the code. It comes with the box. 2 discs. So this is the Blu-ray. And that is the regular DVD. So if you don't have a Blu-ray, you can still watch it. This is so cool. Like, the actual box is actually cool. I can't lie, this is really cool. I actually like the actual box. See? That is sick. Sunrise Records, you know how to make a movie. The first Purge. Unboxing. Sweet. So, spoiler warning. I've seen this film a long time ago in the movie theater. I didn't review it then because I was just too busy with reviews. But I gotta admit, the film itself is really good and explains how it all started. It takes place in New York, which is interesting. Oh yeah, spoiler warning. I'm not gonna say anything else, but just say it's a good film. So if you haven't seen this, go see it. Go see it. You know, get it or watch it on Netflix when it comes out, and or anywhere else. See it, then come back to the video. So I'd say it's really good, and it's a whole new cast of people. There's a lot of action, as usual, and there's a lot of good kills and creative mask and a whole bunch of other things. So, yeah, it's a good film, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And I got plenty other DVDs in there in my bag. So, yeah, stay frosty, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.